back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be opening paniniprizm packs. So these packs should be good. So
totally awesome.
It says you're guaranteed find one memorabilia or one autographed card.
Make sure Roger can't get
so let's see if we can pull a good card. So let's go, guys. Let's crack into it.
Okay, and while you're texting this out, I love you, good night. What?
I'll be right back when I get this open. Oh wait, no, I got it open. Okay.
6 o'clock?
Yeah, I found it.
Who? Oh, really?
So we got these packs, and we're gonna find out what pack is gonna be the one that would have the memorabilia card in it. It's gonna be this one. I feel like it is.
It's a challenge, but only the girls know about it.
Okay, guys, let's get into it.
And musically.
And yeah, let's get into this pack opening, guys. So we get an Julius Randle, a John Wall,
Survive your dad tells you can't go for your
right from
dad.
Jim, and a Jameer Grant. So that was our first pack, guys.
You know what?
And yeah, guys, let's get it.
Can
you please leave?
I know Grandma and Grandpa were going for a walk, and I thought we were spending all this money.
Okay.
Earlier, that's why I danced.
Okay, so we got a Mario Hazonia, Kyle Anderson,
Jordan.
a Chandler Parsons, and a Mo Williams. Hold it, guys. My dad's calling me. So yeah, guys, I need to be quiet because I'm trying to sleep. So okay, guys. So I'll just try to hear me, guys. So yeah, guys, let's get it open. Okay, got the one open. Wait a minute. Oh my word, I picked the wrong one. I got a Joe Johnson, a Trey Burke, a jersey card, a rookie jersey card. That's sick, guys, that's sick. I just got a jersey card right here. I didn't even know. I thought this was the pack I'm getting a jersey card in. I got it in this one. What is it out of? Don't know, but that's a nice card right there. Then we got Jeremy Lamb. I thought it was gonna be this pack. What? Guys, what the heck? My pack cards were wrong. Are you kidding me? Okay, I got a Carmelo Anthony, DeMar DeRozan, Explosion Russell Westbrook, and Giannis Antetokounmpo. I know, so yeah, guys, that's my dad that just passed. What the pack cards are on this. Gary Harrison, Manu Ginobili, a green around Kevin Love, and a James Ennis rookie. Just get my cards. So this is the last pack, guys. And yeah, guys, let's see if we can pull another one. Oh, trash. Pulled a Brooke Lopez, Victor Oladipo, Explosion Paul George, and a Diamond Stone for our last card, guys. So yeah, guys, don't know what else to say. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. guys, let's get this video to 20 likes and I'll do another one of these. Yeah, guys. See you guys.